SRC Babayaga Beta. Shoutout kay Boss Christian. So ito na yung latest Babayaga. Naka steel parts na, naka metal slide, metal yung lower frame, naka fiber optic sights with TTI markings, adjustable trigger, textured grip, enlarged magazine release, and then may magwell na rin siya with TTI markings. And then magazine niya stock is 40 rounds. So may kasama na rin siyang case. And then guys, itong SRC na to, naka dual power system. So pwede siya sa CO2 magazine. Test natin. $361. By the way guys, naka fixed barrel na rin pala siya.